Hi, I'm Angel, and I am the operations manager of information systems in the nonprofit sector, and I give Zendesk a rating of 5. When I arrived, we were using Google for everything, and although Google is good, it didn't give us what we needed, so we decided to look elsewhere. One of the first places that we looked was at Salesforce, but with Salesforce, it takes a lot of programming and a lot of decision making in order to get started. We needed a system that would work for ticketing and taking in customer service needs and questions right away as we had that flow steadily going. So instead, we decided to look into Zendesk, and Zendesk seemed to have all of the things that we need, and this is the reason why we switched. The reason we chose Zendesk is because Zendesk is a very flexible software that lets you get started right away without too much knowledge of the system. It is very click oriented and user friendly and not hard to understand. And due to us having multiple users of Zendesk, it would have been a lot to take on to have to train all of the different users to use the system. So, with the flexibility of adding additional people, the immersion of the training with Zendesk, and then also the reporting aspect of Zendesk was very popular for us as well, as we need to report back what type of feedback we're giving to clients, what type of customer concerns we're having, how quickly we're responding to them. So Zendesk had all of those features in a nice package that was not hard or complicated to get started, and this made our switch very, very easy and flexible. After training for maybe a day of going through some of the different videos on Zendesk, we were easily able to get Zendesk up and running right away. We have also now integrated our Zendesk with our other systems in order to communicate through the API to track some of the tickets that come through Zendesk. So, with the different users that we have in our organization, we initially put 5 people in right away and were able to field hundreds of incoming requests within a matter of a week. And then we were able to expand this knowledge base across the board once we got ourselves up and trained within 2 weeks. The whole entire organization was using Zendesk with no problem. Some of the things that I would recommend if you are looking to get Zendesk for your organization is to just make sure that it would be functional, make sure that it has all the features that you would need, make sure that you understand the different features, such as it took us a while to recognize that we needed to fill in all the information about the organizations, which would make it super easy for us to be able to find the information that we needed right away and then have all those contacts connected. Also, things like making sure you understand the list views and have the different tickets separated into different lists for specific types of people. Setting up things like macros so that you don't have to sit and type an individual message for each person that comes through or for each ticket that comes through. You can set up a macro and right away send a reflective message that speaks to exactly what they're talking about. It also helps to understand web design a little so that you can also integrate your Zendesk ticketing system directly into your website so that folks can send a support ticket from one location. So, looking into Zendesk and understanding the multiple features that it has before jumping right in will help to save you a lot of time so that you can get the most out of the software from the beginning.